What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, class will be in session today. We're going to talk about how we get after it in the market today. I want to share some plays with you. Also, we're going to talk about CPI and what it means for us upcoming in the stock market, okay? But without further ado, do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm kicking it off today. I want to say major salute to all of you that got after it today. We're going to quickly review our homework assignment, but first I want to go over this SPY put that we did on today. We had 25 contracts, the average cost of $1.45. We rolled this to 206. It was a 42% move on today. Taking what the market gives you guys, fall in love with the base hit. Listen, man, the market, CPI came out and the market reacted. And oftentimes, guys, the volatility that it brings will allow you to make some phenomenal plays. Please embrace news, please embrace data releases, please embrace anything that gives us a chance to get moving and grooving in the market, okay? And then check this out, guys. The August core inflation, excluding food and energy, rose 0.3% hotter than expected. The consumer price index rose 0.6% in August, the biggest monthly gain of 2023. The inflation gauge rose 3.7% from a year ago. The core CPI increased 0.03% and 4.3% respectively against estimates for 0.2% and 4.3%. Fed officials now focus more on core as it provides a better indication of where inflation is heading over the long term. Energy prices fed much of the gains, rising 5.6% on the month, an increase that included a 10.6% surge in gasoline. The jump in headline inflation hit workers' paychecks. Real average hourly earnings declined 0.5% for the month. Listen, guys, we got a hotter than expected CPI number. And so as a result, you've seen a lot of just uncertainty in the market. You had stocks like Apple, for example, selling off. In today's video, we want to talk all about it. But what does this mean for you guys? We may be higher for longer is one indication. We may see a pause on the next rate hike, but don't rule out us coming back with at least a 0.25% rate hike in November if we don't get one on the next go out. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Okay, guys, yesterday I gave out this homework assignment here, and today I want to go over with you guys. I'm going to illustrate for you some of the opportunities, because I often say the money is in the charts, and I want to show you how and why and where. Let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, check this out, guys. One of the first moves you can identify was resistance was at this black line right here, okay? That was resistance, and I'm gonna just write this out for the sake of teaching purposes, okay? Excuse my handwriting, but resistance was here, and then it flowed all the way down here, and now you can see its resistance is at 176 for anybody that's in Apple, okay? Another thing you should have pointed out, so that's number one. Number two was this crossover right here, the 1348 crossover. You see that crossover move right there, all right? And what took place after that was the stock coming down, making what we call, let me move this out the way, what we call a bull flag. Look at this, flag number one. I want to draw this so you guys can see what a bull flag looks like. It can look like that, or it can look like this, okay? And all it do, both leads to a move down, no matter how you cut it. You had one there, boom, it hit, got rejected, made another one here, got rejected, and started this long move down. All right, then right here, guys, that's the flag. But right here, we formed a double bottom, okay? I want you to see where that took us to. That overshot this resistance level back here. All right, we dropped, still making that same exact bear flag pattern. Okay, boom, we came back up, got rejected, same patterns down here, guys. Came back around, chop. This was today, we bounced. This is called a fake out breakout, got rejected, right back on the same trend we've been on. Okay, boom. And guys, this just proceeded to do its thing, got rejected right here. That's resistance as well. Always spot and identify what's acting as resistance on your journey. We hit that level and boom, that was all she wrote. Traded sideways, made another bear flag, down, made another bear flag, down, another bear flag. What do you guys think is gonna happen tomorrow? Down, okay? Listen, just giving you guys a quick overview of things I want you guys to begin to see. As I often say, the money is in the charts, and the quicker I begin to identify these things in the chart, I'm just talking about at first glance. Don't let you look at it for 2 or 3 minutes. Don't let you look at it for an hour and 10 minutes. You should really be able to start seeing things developing. You should be able to look at past charts, past days, previous days to be able to say, you know what? Okay, I see what they're doing here. I see where we're getting rejected at. I see where we're piercing through at. I see where we're mounting at. I see where the bear flags is forming at. I see where we might be about to break out at. If you can begin to identify these things, the money is in the charts and it will never let you down, guys. Listen, guys, again, crazy volatility in the market today, which brings about opportunity, okay? That's how I want you to look at these things. Don't ever take in the doom and gloom narrative that they pronounce and preach on TV, okay? What I want you guys to do, let's take a look at Tesla real quick. Ticker symbol TSLA. I talked about in Discord that this would test 274 to the upside today. Let's go see if we hit our level at all today. Check this out. At 9:40, right out the gate, boom, we ran and tested that 274 level. It got rejected. I talked about support being at 266. We was near there at market open. Boom, we came down here to 269, bounced off of support, recaptured 272, made a double top here, fell back down to 270. Bounce from 270 to 273. Again, finished the day bouncing off of 270, closing out here at around 271. Major salute to anybody that did their thing in Tesla today. V and others, money team, I heard from you all. Major salute for knocking the play out the park and being surgical, not overstaying your welcome, but more importantly, respecting the levels. Check this one out, guys. We just covered this one on the charts. This one was a whirlwind today, currently sitting at 173.95. On the week, this is down 8%. Okay, I've been able to make money in this both directions, but obviously the trend is down. Major salute to anybody that's taking advantage of the fact that the trend is your friend, okay? This one started the week off up here, 188, September 6th, down here 176, and it's been kind of in that range. We've been trying to get back to 180. Every time we get there, we get rejected. Now we're sitting at 173.99. Let's check this out, guys. They made a nice move today, faking everybody out, running up to 177 at market open. Got rejected from 177 and fell down to 174. They bounced off of that level initially to 176. That was the last high that it was able to get to. This will be the high for tomorrow. I showed you that on the charts, but you need to peep this when you are looking at line charts as well. It got rejected here, boom, came down, broke the previous low at 174, popped momentarily. That's called a fake out breakout. And then, guys, came down and closed out the day down here, 174 flat. And now in after hours, we have broke the 174 level, and now we're sitting at 173.95. Pay attention to these levels, guys. These prices are no coincidences. Make a note of them. Remember what you see. Remember these levels, because they'll come back to revisit all of these in the coming days, okay? The lows as well as the medium-term highs and the ultimate highs, okay? Understand that it's one big high-level game of chess, okay? Understand it, embrace it, and learn to dominate it. Listen, guys, I hope today's video was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.